In this video, I'm going to show you how to join line in Affinity. Now, there's a bunch of different ways of doing this. I'm going to show you a few of them because this is actually very simple. So if I click on this tool over here to create a few lines, I'm just going to create like 4 of these like that. So like this and that. And as you can see, of course, I haven't really joined the lines. There's spaces in between. Now, there's a few things you can do. The first thing is you can just click on this node tool over here, or you could also click on your basic move tool, and you could just go ahead and of course move them and then kind of try to find it, but that's not really productive. And if you click the node tool, it's going to be a bit better because you could go ahead and click on this edge here and you could connect it like this and see it goes in perfectly. There we go. Then click on this one, connect this one as well, and then you can do that for every single one of these like that. There we go. And as you can see, I've now kind of joined the lines. Now, that's of course one way to do it. However, the quickest and easiest way to do it is you can just click on this node tool here, click on the first one, hold down your shift key, click on the second one, third one, fourth one, however many you have. And if you're holding down your shift key, it's going to select all of them. And then you can just click on up here where you can see it says join curves. So just click on join curves, and this will basically do a quite good job to actually join these. And that's how it's going to look like. Now, sometimes you may have to correct this yourself manually as well, but it's going to basically just allow you to do this a bit more quicker. Okay, so those are all the ways to actually join lines. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.